Now, when it comes to entertaining in style and functionality, I've got something you would like to know. Hello and welcome back to Organize with Adeola. My name is Adeola Mosaku, and in today's video we are going to be doing one of my favorites, which is reviewing products. I'm going to be reviewing one of my best kitchen products, which is Bodum. I'm sure you've seen me do a lot of reviews in the past. I've done Joseph, I've done Oxo, and in today's one I am going to be doing Bodum. These are the products I personally use in my kitchen, and as you know, as of when I'm talking now, my videos are not sponsored, so these are my personal opinion on using these products. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. If you are a tea lover like most of us Brits here, you are going to like my tea press. This tea press is for Bodum and it is very nice. I like things that are glass and you can see through. I think they just give you a really clean and chic look. So this is doing exactly the same thing. It's glass, it's got an infuser in there which actually traps down all your tea bag or leaves that you put inside and then brews your tea for you without actually expelling the tea or the leaves all over your drink. So you would have a pure cup of tea without any leaves, without anything, just a clean nice cup of tea. And the taste, you can actually brew your tea to your own taste. You can have it very brewed, or you can have it just light, however you like your tea. This teapot press is a really good one. So let's have a close look at what it's really containing. So if you have here, we've got the tea presser. This is what you're going to use to press your tea, and this is the infuser where you would put your tea bag in here, and here is just your pot basically, and the water will go in there. So what you want to do is make sure that this is facing that way, so that when you're pouring out your tea, it's not going all over the place. And just put your tea bag in there and press it down, give it some few minutes, and that will just infuse all the flavors of your tea, and you can have a nice cup of tea. Before the end of this show, we are going to be making a nice cup of tea with all my products this morning, so stay tuned to the end. My next product is this milk frother, which I really like as well. If you like to make your tea and coffee and have really nice fluffy milk, this is a machine for you. There's so many machines out there, but I read a really good review on this one, and it's meant to give us perfect frothed milk every time you use it. So let's have a go and making sure that that is actually true. So what you want to do, according to one of the reviews, I actually read this on Amazon. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube just to try and see how to get the best out of this machine, but I think the best review I read was on Amazon, so we're going to try that one. And what it says, or actually it's a she says, is to put 100 ml of milk in here, and then you want to fluff it for about 50 times, but make sure that you're not passing where the milk is, where the line of the milk is. So you just want to do it like that. Oh my god, it is hard work. Yeah, so I think I've got a really good fluff in there, and what you do is you take out this, you can see that, take that out, and I'm going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds under 900 watts of power in your microwave. So I'm going to do that quickly. Now the froth is now really nice and hot, and as you can see, it's really creamy. You can get really good froth, and the reason why I put mine in the microwave is because I like my drinks very hot. So if you don't like your drinks hot, you can just go ahead and after you've fluffed it around, just take it out and use it like that. But this gives me really nice fluffy milk, which I really do like. See, that is beautiful, and I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of that. I must say though, you have to make sure you watch it. I did mine on 850 because I don't have 900 watts on my microwave, so I did it at 850 at 45, and it is absolutely perfect. See that? Really good. I think this is a good idea or good buy if you want to have thick cream on your tea or on your coffee or on your latte. This is absolutely brilliant. So I didn't actually follow the instructions by putting it on there. I did follow the instructions by the reviewers that I have been reading and having a look at on YouTube and on Amazon, and I think this will definitely always give you perfect fluff. This is the first time I tried it using that method, so this is a really good buy. My next product is something that everyone uses in their kitchen. You're definitely going to need one of these. Tell me who doesn't need a bowl. So let's have a look at these bowls. This is Bodum bowls. They come in different colors, and as you might know, if you like to make something, especially if you're a cake maker or you like to bake, you might need one of these to actually mix your doughs. And if you like to wash rice before you actually eat it, you might need one of these. And if you like to marinate your chicken or maybe beef before the next day, for the next day, you might need one of these. These are the bowls that I use, and every time I bring them up, people ask me, oh, where did you get that from? I actually got my collection from TK Maxx, but I will try and have the links for you on Amazon. And I really like the fact that they're very sturdy. I've been using them for years and they've kept to their color. They've got scratches here and there, as you would expect, but I do like the fact that they've got a really nice strong hand here. It's plastic, but it's really strong handle here, which allows you to grip and carry it very easily. If you've got something hot, because it can actually go in the microwave and you can actually wash it in the dishwasher. So if you've got something hot in it, this is a very good one to have. It's got an handle that you can carry it with. Also, it's got this dots, which allows it to stay sturdy when you put it down. No matter what you're trying to maybe make something in there or trying to wash, it actually allows it to sit down sturdily with those dots in there. If you wanted to have a really nice color to your kitchen, this come in different colors and different sizes as well. If you've liked anything or any of the products I have mentioned so far, go ahead and give us the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, and don't forget to click the bell next to it. It means when I bring out a new video, you will get notified for it. Now, my channel will not be about organizing without having some storage jars, would it? So my next product is a classic storage jar. I mean, just look at this beauty. Yet again, it's see-through, it's glass. It comes as this is a copper one. It also comes as a gold as well. This comes with a vacuum seal lid, which means it might be a bit hard to open sometimes, but most of their product comes with this vacuum sealed, which allows your food to stay fresh in there. There's no hair getting in there, especially if you've got coffee beans in there. It will keep it nice and fresh. So whatever you've got in your container will be kept fresh because of the vacuum seal lid. And now another thing I really like about this, again, it's see-through. It is very easy to clean as well. It goes in the dishwasher, you can clean it, but because I've got this gold, I've got this rose gold labeling on there, I won't be able to put it in the dishwasher. But if you want to see how I got this look and how I've used it to arrange my tea and coffee cupboard, go and check out this video. They actually come in 6 different sizes, but these are the sizes that I've got at the moment. And with most of Bodum products, the glass is actually lead free, which means that you don't get any toxin in whatever you've put in their containers, which keeps your food even fresher for longer, which is really cool. And another thing I would like to say is they come with 2 different colors. I've got the copper one, but it also comes in gold. And if gold is really your thing, you might want to have a look at this picture and get some inspiration from it. There's 2 of them in there. Some hot water. Microwave for 45 seconds. It's nice and cool. Perfect.